I'm going to show you 3 different ways to uninstall apps on Windows 11. The first, and maybe the easiest way to do this, is to do it from the Start menu. So you'll click the Start menu on the bottom, or just click the Windows key on your keyboard. And if you see the app you're about to uninstall pinned here, you could just right-click the app and choose Uninstall. You'll get a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to uninstall the app, and it'll remind you that both the app and all the related information will be removed. We're going to confirm, and the app is gone. Pretty easy. Another way to do this, and this is maybe the best for batch cleaning multiple apps, is to do it through your settings. We will go to the Start menu again, and I'm going to go to Settings. Or you can hold down the Windows key and press the letter I, which also opens your settings. Then on the left side, we're going to click Apps. And then from here, you'll see a section called Installed Apps. We're going to click into that. We'll get a nice list of all the apps installed on your computer, so you can scroll through the alphabetical list here, or you could use the search bar to search for the app you want to uninstall. Once you find what you want to uninstall, just click the 3 dots. Once again, we'll get the confirmation prompt. I'm going to confirm, and the app will be removed from your computer. Some apps like this one here will actually run a proper uninstaller, which will make sure that the app itself and all the related components to it will be removed. Again, pretty simple and easy, isn't it? Now, sometimes you'll come across some old-school programs or heavy video games or creative applications that don't always register correctly inside the modern Windows 11 Settings app. And if you come across a stubborn app like that, the classic control panel is actually a good way to get rid of those. So let's first press the Windows key on your computer and then type in Control Panel. It'll show up in the search results, so I'm going to hit the Enter key to open it. Here under Programs, we're going to click the blue button that says Uninstall a Program. Again, you'll get a list of apps on your computer, and here you could double-click an application that you want to uninstall. By doing it this way, the computer will force launch the software's dedicated, native uninstaller to cleanly wipe it from your drive, which makes sure that besides the app itself, all supportive documents and components are removed as well. And that is how you uninstall apps on Windows 11. Drop me a comment if this helped, and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.